These military inventions that are coming next are the most incredible of the 21st century. The Reaper Shield Support is a groundbreaking personal safety innovation offering unparalleled protection in high-risk situations. This versatile and durable support system was initially designed for shooting from helicopters and later adapted for shield incorporation. It enables users to transport Level 4 rifle-rated shields inside buildings, providing robust protection against ballistic threats. Made of lightweight advanced materials, including ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene and high-strength aramid fibers, it is ergonomically designed, easy to deploy, and customizable with modular attachments like flashlights, cameras, or weapon mounts. This game-changing product is an innovative development in personal safety and security. The NATO Motorized Floating Bridge is a crucial cutting-edge solution designed to improve military mobility and tactical capabilities during water-crossing operations. Its modular design allows for easy assembly and disassembly, enabling the construction of bridges of varying lengths and compatibility with both NATO and non-NATO vehicles. It can support heavy equipment such as tanks and armored vehicles. With motorized propulsion units, the lightweight, high-strength bridge can be easily maneuvered and assembled on site, offering stability during the bridging process. Its rapid deployment capability allows skilled engineers to deploy the bridge in just a few hours, giving military forces a tactical advantage and ensuring timely mission execution. The MFB's modular design and vehicle compatibility make it invaluable for water-crossing operations. The drone gun is an innovative countermeasure device designed to neutralize and control rogue drones, ensuring safety and security in various scenarios. Developed as a response to the growing presence of drones in both civilian and military environments, the drone gun effectively addresses potential threats posed by unauthorized or malicious drone usage. The gun is a user-friendly portable device that disrupts drone signals up to 2 kilometers away, ensuring the operator's safety and neutralizing threats from a distance. Compatible with multiple drone models, it can detect and track rogue drones with its integrated sensor. Its simple point-and-shoot mechanism makes it easy to use with minimal training, and its lightweight design allows for easy transportation by security personnel. The baobab-k mine-laying system, developed by Polish defense company Huta Stalowa Wola, is an advanced vehicle commissioned by the Polish land forces in 2001. Built on an 8x8 Jelch's P662D35 truck chassis, it offers rapid mine-laying capabilities with a capacity of 22 anti-tank and 88 anti-personnel mines. The automated system is controlled by a 2-person crew and can lay 1,000 to 1,200 mines per hour while moving at 30 to 45 kilometers per hour. It is compatible with various mine types and features smoke grenade launchers for added survivability. The baobab-k's design supports additional armor integration and towing trailers for increased operational capacity, making it an effective solution for modern battlefield requirements. The Smash Hopper P is an advanced light weapon sight developed by Smart Shooter, an Israeli defense technology company. Designed to enhance the accuracy and effectiveness of small arms fire, the Smash Hopper P offers a versatile solution to address various combat scenarios and environments, especially when engaging drones or moving targets. The Hopper P has a sophisticated fire control system that uses advanced algorithms to increase the probability of hitting targets, even when they're moving or aerial. Its integrated electro-optical sensor can detect and track targets in various lighting conditions. The LOS laser weapon system is a groundbreaking directed energy weapon developed by the U.S. Navy to counter various threats, including drones, small boats, and low-flying aircraft. The system utilizes a high-energy laser beam to neutralize targets, offering a precise and efficient alternative to conventional weaponry. The Laws offers pinpoint accuracy and high rate of fire with minimal collateral damage, making it a rapid response solution that can neutralize threats at the speed of light. It can be easily integrated with existing ship-based defense systems, and its low operational costs make it a cost-effective alternative to conventional weaponry. Operating in various weather conditions, the Laws consumes minimal resources and can meet its power requirements using the ship's existing power supply. The Caliber Mk4, a cutting-edge multi-purpose unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, is the brainchild of iCore Technology, a prominent Estonian defense technology firm. This versatile UGV is engineered to cater to a broad spectrum of military and civil applications, including reconnaissance, logistics, combat support, and other specialized tasks. The modular architecture of the Caliber Mk4 allows for effortless adaptation to various mission specifications, such as monitoring, mine detection, medical evacuation, and remote weapon systems. Equipped with sophisticated autonomous navigation and sensor technology, it excels in intricate terrain and diverse environmental conditions. The sturdy chassis and nimble mobility of the Caliber Mk4 enable it to traverse difficult landscapes with ease. Operators can remotely control the UGV or set it up for autonomous missions, minimizing human exposure to hazardous situations. The MV3 Testudo is a cutting-edge tactical approach robotic vehicle designed and manufactured by Scopex, a French company specializing in the development of robotic systems for military, security, and industrial applications. This highly versatile vehicle is engineered to perform various tasks in demanding environments, including reconnaissance, EOD, explosive ordnance disposal, and CBRN, chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear detection missions. The MV3 Testudo is a compact, rugged robotic vehicle with a modular platform, enabling customization for specific missions. Its innovative tracked propulsion system offers excellent mobility and agility across various terrains, including slopes, stairs, and obstacles. The Testudo supports diverse payload configurations such as manipulator arms, sensors, and communication systems, making it highly adaptable for different operational needs. Its advanced control system allows for intuitive teleoperation, enabling operators to maintain situational awareness from a safe distance. Equipped with cutting-edge autonomous navigation capabilities, the MV3 Testudo can perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention. The Milrem Themis brand-new war robot made its debut at the 2016 Singapore Air Show. Themis is tailored for military and civilian applications, including reconnaissance, combat support, logistics, and explosive ordnance disposal. Its modular design enables effortless customization and integration with various payloads, such as remote weapon systems, radars, and communication systems. With a hybrid diesel-electric power system, Themis can operate in stealth mode, increasing survivability. It has a top speed of 22 kilometers per hour and a range of 100 kilometers. Themis can traverse rugged terrain, climb 45% gradients, and ford 60 centimeters deep water. Operated remotely or autonomously, Themis reduces risks to human operators in dangerous environments. Themis has been tested and used by several countries, including the US, UK, Germany, and France. It has participated in NATO military exercises and deployed in missions such as Operation Barkhane in Mali. Themis demonstrates the potential of UGVs in enhancing mission capabilities and safety in modern warfare. The RAID ISO container is a specially designed modular shipping container developed by RAID, Rapid Assembly and Innovative Deployment, for versatile and efficient transportation of goods and equipment in various industries, including military, logistics, construction, and disaster relief operations. The container's standardized dimensions ensure compatibility with existing intermodal transportation systems, such as ships, trains, and trucks, facilitating seamless global transit. One of the key features of the RAID ISO container is its robust and durable construction, which utilizes high-quality materials such as Corten steel to withstand harsh environmental conditions and rough handling. This makes it an ideal solution for transporting sensitive equipment, perishable goods, or materials that require a controlled environment. Camaro's Xaver LR80 is a state-of-the-art, long-range, through-wall imaging system developed by Camaro Tech, an Israeli company specializing in advanced sensing solutions. Designed to provide real-time situational awareness in urban environments, the Xaver LR80 enables security and military forces to detect, locate, and track people and objects behind walls or barriers. The Xaver LR80 features cutting-edge ultra-wideband radar technology that detects targets through various materials, providing operators with vital information on object and individual location. Its advanced data processing algorithms deliver high-resolution 3D images in real time, ensuring accurate and clear information for effective tactical planning. The Lenco Bearcat G2 is an advanced armored tactical vehicle developed by Lenco Industries, an American company specializing in the design and production of armored vehicles for law enforcement, military, and government agencies. Designed to provide enhanced protection and mobility in high-risk situations, the Bearcat G2 is widely used for SWAT operations, counter-terrorism missions, and other critical response scenarios. Its ballistic armor offers robust protection against various threats, ensuring the safety of its occupants in hostile environments. Equipped with a powerful engine and all-wheel drive capability, it can navigate various terrains with ease, enabling rapid response and deployment. Its adaptability to mission-specific equipment, such as gun ports and surveillance systems, enhances its operational capabilities. The Barracuda is an advanced multi-role armored vehicle developed to provide superior protection, mobility, and adaptability for military, law enforcement, and security personnel in various high-risk situations. Designed to excel in diverse missions such as reconnaissance, convoy protection, crowd control, and counter-terrorism operations. The Barracuda's state-of-the-art ballistic armor provides robust protection against various threats, ensuring the safety of its occupants in hostile environments. Equipped with a powerful engine, all-wheel drive capability, and heavy-duty suspension system, it can navigate diverse terrains with ease, ensuring rapid response and deployment. Its adaptability to mission-specific equipment, such as weapon stations and surveillance systems, enhances its operational capabilities. Let us know in the comment which military invention you like the most, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos.